Why is my dog still itching? This is video 3 in a 7 video series that discusses allergies in dogs. Allergy triggered otitis is the subject of this video. Allergies are the most prevalent cause of otitis in dogs in the southern states of USA. Allergies lower the body immunity, and when they are not treated, will predispose the dog to secondary bacterial and yeast otitis. So how do you differentiate food allergy from allergy-triggered otitis? These are the characteristic clinical signs of allergy-triggered otitis. You have hyperemia or redness inside the ear canal. You have excessive earwax from affected ears. The dog is shaking the head and scratching the ears. You have scratch marks at the ear canal entrances or behind the ears. You have labbing the affected ear on the floor. Most often, the allergens or pollens do not discriminate, and on their way into the ears, will attack the eyes and the nasal passages. When they do, the following clinical signs will follow: sneezing, snorting, sniffling, and coughing, rubbing the eyes, tearing, and conjunctivitis. Diagnosing allergy-triggered otitis. Examine the ears with an otoscope is the first thing I do for any dog presented for shaking the head or scratching the ears. Hyperemia inside the ear canal and excessive wax are adequate signs to differentiate allergy-triggered otitis from other allergies. What's the treatment of allergy-triggered otitis? Strategy number 1, remove excessive wax and clean the affected ear. Number 2, alleviate pain in the ears by administering a long-acting topical ear ointment like Clarotic in the affected ear. B, administering a long-acting anti-inflammatory injection to stop itching. Triamcinolone or Kemerol works extremely well. Prevent secondary infection in the affected ear by administering a broad-spectrum antibiotic like clindamycin and then rofloxacin. And that's the end of this video. If this video was helpful, subscribe, share it, comment, or ask a question below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.